Hey there! And welcome to our tutorial on how to add users to your organization in Flotiq. If you have a paid account with Flotiq Basic, Pro, or Enterprise, you can add additional users to your organization and collaborate with your team more easily. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add users to your organization step by step. Step 1. Log into your Flotiq account. The first step is to log into your Flotiq account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for one on the Flotiq website. Step 2. Go to your organization settings. Once you're logged in, go to the left side menu and click on User there. Step 3. Click on the Add User in the top right corner. Step 4. Fill out the form you see, and once you're done, the person will receive the email with the link to account creation. First, the user needs to reset the password you created, and then he or she can use the Flotiq account. Step 5. Manage existing user. You can also manage existing user in your organization by clicking on the pen icon next to their name. From there, you can edit the user's role, remove them from the organization, or resend their invitation. And that's it. Adding users to your organization in Flotiq is easy and straightforward, and it can help you collaborate more effectively with your team. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.